Greetings and salutations. Let me just say something different here. Have y'all been paying attention that the views for these videos are going down? I don't know if it's an algorithm thing. I don't know if there are actually less people watching these videos. But if you find them helpful and encouraging to your life, I would encourage you to like them and share them with everybody you can share them with. Because if they help you, they might help somebody else. I'm not pandering for likes. I'm trying to help the channel. All right. So, that being said, there's something I ran across recently. I was listening to someone preach, and they gave some statistics concerning salvation. And if I might say, there were concerning stats concerning salvation. They were credited to the Barna Group, which does political, or rather polling type research. It is reported that 88% of the young people in evangelical homes leave church at the age of 18. That is unbelievable. That is not good for the future of our churches. What is happening? I don't know. That's just the statistic. Now, that being said, regarding salvation, it is said that 75% of everyone that gets saved does so before the age of 15. So statistically, that's 3 and 4 or 15 out of every 20. Further, 95% of everyone that gets saved has done so by the age of 25. That's 3.8 out of 4 or 19 out of 20. So, you can see that the likelihood of people getting saved is great before the age of 15 and even greater somewhere between the ages of 15 and 25. Doesn't mean you can't get saved beyond that. It's just that statistically speaking, more people are likely to get saved before they're 25 than not. However, after 25 years old, it becomes 1 in 10,000. That is, best I can do the math here, that is 1/100th of 1% likely that you get saved after 25. After 35, it becomes 1 in 50,000. That is 2/1000ths of 1%. I believe that's right. After 45, it becomes 1 in 200,000. That is 3/10,000ths of 1% likelihood that someone gets saved. After 55 years of age, it becomes 1 in 300,000. That is 3/10,000ths of 1% likely that someone gets saved. After 65, it becomes obviously even less, 1 in 500,000. That is 2/10,000ths of 1%. And then after 75 years of age, it becomes 1 in 700,000. That's starting to flirt around with 1 in a million. That is roughly 1.4/10,000ths of 1% likely that someone is to get saved after the age of 75 years old. So what's the lesson for us to learn here? What are we even driving at? I know these are just statistics. I don't know the metrics. I don't know exactly who they were interviewing and so on. But if these statistics are to be believed, it would be wise for us to focus our attention, not to neglect people as they get older, don't mean that, but to focus our attention on young people because they are more tender, they have not got set in their ways, they are not yet sullied by the world and its filth. They haven't completely turned their back on the things of God. But we need to be focusing our attention on young people and their salvation. That's all I have for today's Morning Minute Meditation. Just some concerning statistics concerning salvation. Y'all have a great day. And remember, it is what it is.